Reminded me of Japanese meals in better times. That's one of my readers' reviews of this shogayaki, and today you get into exact steps. Tender slices of pork coated in a fragrant and aromatic ginger sauce served with steaming hot rice is the ultimate Japanese comfort dish. Let's go. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Shogayaki Sudachi to find me. Finally, grate 20 grams of ginger root. 1 teaspoon of apple, 1 teaspoon of onion, and 1 clove of garlic until they're almost paste-like. I recommend using either a microplane grater or a Japanese grater like this. Scrape the grated ingredients into a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of dashi stock. If you have leftover dashi stock, it's great, but if not, don't worry. Just dissolve a pinch of instant dashi granules in 1 tablespoon of water. It works perfectly here. And 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and then keep it by the stove. We'll need it the moment the pork is ready. Take 250 grams of pork shoulder loin sliced 3 to 4 millimeters thick and make a few small cuts through the fat edge to stop it curling up in the pan. I'm using shoulder loin today, so it's not that important, but it will be when you use loin cut. Shoulder loin with balanced marbling is the classic choice and I highly recommend it, but regular loin works too. And if you're feeling indulgent, thinly sliced pork belly brings natural sweetness and umami-rich juices that are perfect over rice. Season each slice slightly with salt and pepper, then dust both sides with a light dusting of all-purpose flour, potato starch, cornstarch if you need it gluten-free. Set a large pan over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Heat until the oil simmers. Lay the pork slices in a single layer without any overlap. Every piece needs to touch the hot surface directly. If your pan is on the smaller side, cook in batches rather than crowding the pan. Let the pork cook undisturbed until the edges turn golden and each slice releases easily from the pan. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes depending on thickness. Resist the urge to nudge or poke at all. Flip the slices over, take a quick look. If you see pooling fat in the pan, use kitchen paper to blot away most of the excess, leaving just a thin film behind. Return the pan to medium heat, pour in the gorgeous sauce we made earlier, and swirl the pan so every piece gets coated while the liquid begins to bubble. Look at the color, the fresh ginger and aromatics are coming alive. Simmer gently, coating the pork until the bubbles look thick and glossy and the meat is beautifully lacquered and springy to the touch. This takes about 45 to 90 seconds. If you want a bolder, fresher ginger hit, I recommend stirring in some newly grated ginger about 10 seconds before you turn off the heat. That last minute addition keeps those bright punchy ginger notes from evaporating away. Turn off the heat and transfer the pork to a warm plate, but don't serve it just yet. Let it rest off the heat for 3 minutes. Now for a brilliant finishing touch. Add 6 shishito peppers to the remaining glaze still sitting in the hot pan. Crank the heat back up to medium-high and cook the peppers, turning them occasionally until the aromatic savory glaze starts to caramelize and cling to the surface, about 2 to 3 minutes. If you can't find shishito, mini sweet peppers or sliced bell peppers step in without fuss. Time to plate. This dish is rich and intensely flavorful, so make sure to serve it with shredded cabbage or a fresh side salad and a bowl of plain rice to balance everything out. Arrange the pork and those glossy shishito peppers on your serving plate. Spoon over any remaining glaze. Crush a generous pinch of white sesame seeds between your fingers over the top, then finish with just a few drops of toasted sesame oil. There you have it. Buta no Shogayaki, Japanese ginger pork that brings the warmth and comfort of a home-cooked Japanese meal straight to your table. The rice soaks up the incredible ginger soy glaze like a dream. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my pork recipe playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.